It's on Wednesday, June 5th. Oi, 4:30 right now. Tilling up my back patch. It's been tilled once this year already. Still got a lot of chunks in it, so I'm gonna come back through and rip it up one more time. My hand tiller right here, Troy built. I just thought I might do a little bit of time-lapse thing on it. Show me cutting the ground. Hopefully I can get some, at least do my rows tonight. If I can get the hills made with the big tractor. Even if it rains on it, fine. It's fine. I can plant the plants in it. The soil will be nice and fluffy on top. So, hoping to get this whole thing cut today and loose and fluffy. I might do a double cut on it actually. And then I'll have my dad come back through later and the big tractor and make some hills. Hopefully that'll work and I can get some plants in this year. So I ain't running out of time. That looks pretty good. I'm gonna go run the tiller. Throttle, okay. In neutral, slow speed. Gas is on. Should be good. Okay, I got this section done. A little big cut. Turned out pretty nice. The bottom's a little wet, but top is pretty good. Finer stuff, no chunks, no weeds in it, no real grass or anything. I just got this section up here, and I think I'm going to do it up and down to get a cross cut on this bottom section. And, it's going to take some time, but I'd rather get a double cut on this bottom where it's chunky. This whole bottom 4 rows or so is more of this chunk stuff, and I'd like to get rid of some of that. So do a double cut down here, and then maybe I'll do a double cut back on these rows over here after they get half hour to dry when I do that section. It's looking good. I can go up there and do that section now. Should be done with that now. Till that upper section just knocked down some of the weeds and grass is growing up there, but it looks pretty good. Dad surprisingly showed up, put some rows in. We got 2 long rows at the bottom. Those are massive rows. I don't know what we're gonna do there. And we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We got 7 rows up here going vertical. Looking pretty good. I got a little space in there where I can throw something in later, and a spot there I can throw something in, maybe a zucchini or some Indian corn, sweet corn. So that's a tougher spot of ground down there. I could do whatever. Yeah, I'm just gotta cut in between my tomato rows to try to knock some of the weeds down. And I should be done down here. Been tilling now for almost 2 hours. good. Yeah, I'm gonna keep tilling, finish up in between the rows to knock down all the seedlings that are sprouting, all the weed seedlings. Should be done. Hopefully it doesn't rain too much so I can cut my hay here. This little patch up here, this patch over here before the field, along with that tree line, and that whole patch down there to the left of that barn. All that right now is ripe for the cutting. I need hay on my tomatoes, so rain's not good. I'm gonna finish up here and I'm done. Hey!